Farsoon is a manufacturer of industrial polymer and metal laser powder bed fusion systems, featuring a variety of capabilities that are suited for many industries and markets. With our motto of Open for Industry, Farsoon is focused on technology innovation geared towards open and industrial additive manufacturing technology. Farsoon strives to develop truly open, production-oriented platforms which offer users a high degree of control to improve their manufacturing capabilities. Farsoon works with many industry-leading companies in various fields including material, post-processing, and software to create an open ecosystem for additive manufacturing. With over 500 machines installed globally, we are confident in our ability to engage with users in all aspects of additive parts production. Developed and manufactured to address quality, productivity, and scalability, Farsoon Metal systems help customers produce parts with large dimensions, excellent mechanical properties, accuracy, and surface quality, all at a market-leading cost-to-performance ratio. Farsoon's large metal system, the FS621M, offers an outstanding build platform size of 24.4 by 24.4 by 43.3 inches. This expansive, industry-leading 423-liter build envelope opens new possibilities for large-scale metal laser powder bed fusion production in aerospace, automotive, and many other industries. Equipped with a powerful single 1000-watt laser or quad 500-watt lasers, the FS621M offers enhanced build speed for part production. In addition, advanced features including the multi-stage, circulating, and parallel filter design, the fully modular powder container, as well as multiple levels of monitoring, offer industrial users operational confidence when it comes to the powder management, process control, and factory layout. Farsoon's FS721M is our second largest multi-laser metal system following the FS621M. With a build volume of 28.3 by 16.5 by 16.5 inches and currently equipped with 2 or 4 500-watt lasers. In addition, at TCT Asia 2021, the latest iteration of the FS721 with 8 1000-watt lasers was announced, aiming to open up all new potential for cost efficiency and production scalability. The rectangular build volume of the FS721M is optimized for the production of large parts which favor one axis, bringing great value for industries such as automotive and tooling. In addition, the rectangular build volume is well suited for multi-laser arrangements, offering advanced controls and operational flexibility of scanning strategies for achieving higher build rates. The 721's closed-loop inert powder handling process, as well as the fully enclosed and integrated powder breakout station, offers enhanced workflow and improved workplace safety for users. From our medium to large metal product line, the FS421M is equipped with a 16.7 by 16.7 by 16.5 inch build volume and features a removable build cartridge. The large build volume, combined with optional dual laser configurations, enable enhanced production speed combined with the capability to exchange build cartridges between jobs, thus maximizing machine uptime. The 421's advanced closed-loop powder handling system integrates several functions into one inert system, including powder supply, transport, feeding, and recycling. The powerful, high-efficient air filtration system allows for the processing of reactive materials and ensures high-quality build parts. Moving on to the medium-sized metal platform, Farsoon's FS301M is a machine designed for metal AM production, addressing the pain points from customers in regards to production speed, powder management, factory layout, part quality, ease of operation, and serviceability. Combined with an integrated long-lasting filtration system, the FS301M is one of the most compact footprint systems on the market, achieving true economical production with some of the highest quality build parts in its tier. Featuring a build volume of 12 by 12 by 15.7 inches, the FS301M offers versatile single or dual laser options for improved productivity and efficiency. With the dual laser configuration, both lasers have full coverage of the build area, which allows for reduced certification burden for aerospace industry by eliminating the overlapping zones. The FS301M also features numerous ease-of-use features, including an integrated powder loading dock, a shared material container design, which allows for a more streamlined powder handling workflow. As of today, the installation base of Farsoon's metal systems include many manufacturing customers who focus on large volume parts fabrication. These customers often have specific demands for materials including titanium, aluminum, nickel alloys, and stainless steels. Farsoon has worked along with these customers to optimize processing parameters to meet their manufacturing needs, to produce faster, bigger, and higher performance parts. The optimization of these printing processes also enables the customer to offer differentiated products on the market, as well as creating a significant competitive edge by reducing the cost of creating, testing, and producing AM parts. With comprehensive know-how in laser powder bed fusion technology from material, machine, production, and application, Farsoon strives to offer customers a more streamlined industrial workflow, increased production volume, faster turnover cycles, and lower cost per part. With the model of open for industry, Farsoon will continue bringing industrial customers innovative, value-added solutions.